this demo, we're going to show a TI trace request initiated by the dispenser. The dispenser has a product and they find the color suspicious. The dispenser is represented by Systec and they will actually send a TI request by email to the distributor, which is represented by Movilitas.Cloud. Movilitas.Cloud will respond by email back to the distributor and will also inform the distributor from who they bought it. In this case, Nexamed Pharma, represented by TraceLink. What we will show in this demo is the communication between Systec as a requester and Movilitas.Cloud as a responder to a TI trace request. Vitacore Distribution is a tenant on the Movilitas.Cloud platform. They're using the serialized logistics applications, and what they need to do under settings, they need to define the email address on which they would like to receive the request. Because we're on the test system, they're using TI request_test. On the production, the test is of course removed. The second thing is that they can actually define what their identifier are for the response. Because when we receive a request, we automatically check if the requester is who they say they are. So we have set up the email address so we can receive an email. Systec is going to send an email and we can actually then go to the reports and analysis tool. Under the SCSA we find trace request, and this is actually where we will receive all the emails that provide a JSON file in the email. We can see here there is a request coming in that we have not responded to. We click on it and we can immediately see the product, the serial number, and it's immediately doing a trace in our system. We can see who we bought it from, what warehouse we received it, who we sold it to. And we can actually, if we're happy with it, just click on the response button. And at that moment, we will actually send an email back. In this case, you can see to DCS tracing to the Systec email address that was actually in the request itself. The mail has been sent successfully. We record that it was actually sent the 15th of March to that particular email address. And with that, we actually concluded that we have responded to the request. And this is a copy of the mail. And if you open up the file that is attached to the email, we can actually take a look at the response that we're providing back. Here we see all the information. We see where we bought it from, we see where we sold it to, we see the transaction statement that everything is according to the FDA, that we're dealing with authorized trading partners, and that is actually the full response you will find back. This can be uploaded into the Systec system, and that way they have actually fulfilled their request.